How to fix Instagram Reels videos not playing in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps right here. Now on this page you have to search for Instagram right here on the search bar. Search for Instagram like this, and then after you search for it, click on it like this. Now this is the app info, as you can see. All what you have to do here is click on the permissions. Make sure that all those permissions right here are enabled. Go back, click on this option. After you click on this option, go down to this option right here, it's called storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Now go back, click on the open by default option, click on this open supported links in the app. Make sure that it's on always allow. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope this video was helpful.